Hello children, welcome back. Hope you're all doing good. In previous session we saw number concepts, that is we saw number concepts from 1000 till 1500. Today what are we going to see? What symbol is this? This is subtraction symbol. What does a subtraction mean? Subtraction is a mathematical operation that tells us the difference between two numbers. In other words, subtraction is the process of finding how many are left when some are taken away. In simple words, subtraction is just opposite of addition. In addition, we will be combining two numbers. In subtraction, we will be finding difference of two numbers. Subtraction means taking away from a group or a number of things. When we subtract, the number of things in the group reduce or become less. In addition, when you add, the number of things in a group will increase. But while subtracting, the number of things in a group will reduce or will become less. Come, let us see what are the terms used in subtraction. The first term used in subtraction is minuend. What is minuend? The number from which another number is to be subtracted is called minuend. Then we have subtrahend. What is subtrahend? Subtrahend is the number that is to be subtracted, or the second number in the subtraction is called as subtrahend. Then what is difference? Difference means the answer of the subtraction is called difference. Here I would like to give an example with these terms in subtraction. Suppose you are going to a pizza shop and you ordered for a pizza. The whole pizza is the minuend, and one slice which has been taken from the pizza is the subtrahend. After taking one slice, the remaining leftover slices is the difference. So, the number which is to be subtracted is called minuend. The number that is to be subtracted, or the second number in the subtraction is called subtrahend, and the answer of minuend and subtrahend, that is the answer of subtraction, is called as difference. So in subtraction we have three terms. One is minuend, subtrahend and difference. Let me explain the terms used in addition in detail. Here we have tens place and ones place, and we have 19 and 18. In ones place we have 9 and 8. In tens place we have 1 and 1. In subtraction, what symbol we will use? We will use subtraction symbol. Come, let us subtract. So in ones place you have 9 and 8, so bigger number. So in ones place you have 9 and 8. 9 in your mind, 8 in your finger. Before 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then 1 minus 1. When in subtraction, when you have two numbers of same, the answer is 0. So we have done the subtraction, and let us see what is minuend and what is subtrahend and what is difference. Here 19, that is 19 is minuend and 18 is subtrahend, and the answer we have got here, that is 1, is the difference. So these are the terms used in subtraction, that is minuend, subtrahend and difference. Next we are going to see the properties of addition. First property, if we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. So which says that if any number is being subtracted with 0, the answer will be the number itself. For example, you have 27 and 0. When you subtract 27 from 0, the answer will be 27 itself, or the bigger number. You have 219. It is when subtracted from 0, the answer will be 219 itself. So, the first property of subtraction is when you subtract a number with 0, the answer, that is the difference of the number, will be the number itself. The second property, if we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of the number. As we saw earlier, in addition, if we add one number to the number, we will be getting successor. But in subtraction, if we subtract 1 from the given number, we will get the predecessor of the given number. For example, you have 16 minus 1. Yes, 16 minus 1. Here, when you are asked to subtract a number with 1, you can simply write the predecessor of the number. So 16 minus 1. So the predecessor of 16 is 15. The difference is 15. Or when you have 339 minus 1. So the predecessor of 339 is 338. So when we subtract 1 from a number, we get the predecessor of the number. Third property, if we subtract a number from itself, the answer is 0. When you subtract two numbers which is of same, the answer, that is the difference of that number, will be 0. For example, when you subtract 27 minus 27, the answer is 0. Or when you subtract 445 minus 445, the answer is 0. So when you subtract a number from itself, the difference is 0. Here we saw three properties. First property is when you subtract a number from 0, it gives you the same number itself. Second property is when you subtract a number from 1, it gives you the predecessor of the given number. Third property, when we subtract a number from itself, the difference, that is the answer, is 0. So these are the three properties. Yes, children. In today's session, we saw what is the symbol of subtraction, and we learned the terms used in subtraction, that is minuend, subtrahend, and difference, and we saw three properties in subtraction. In next session, we will be seeing the sums in subtraction. Until then, take care, stay home, and stay safe. Thank you, children.